Hello folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another challenge. So, we're actually back on the Scrambler and having completed the four corner strip and realised the practicality of having the additional luggage and the Hepco and Becker bags, as wonderful as they are, they don't hold a great deal. Excuse me. So, decided we're going to go with a rack to go on the back of the Scrambler, and obviously given that I chopped the frame about and the mudguard is not correct and there's a few things there, nothing you can buy off the shelf for the 865 Scrambler or Bonnie fits. What I did particularly like, I was watching a couple of another Hipsters videos, and he's recently, or not so recently, fitted the unit garage aluminium luggage to the side. So I had a quick look at those and the stuff they do, and they actually do a top box. It's quite expensive, and it amounts to this special plate here. And then when I did a bit more searching, I managed to find second hand for sale a unit garage 36 litre top box, which I've got here, and it's got a small dent in the top and a few scratches, but nothing, you know, horrendous. It's straight, it's square, it's got the base plate on it, and it came with the mounting rack for a BMW rNineT. And the reason I jumped in for this was because it's very similar to the Triumph spec one, which should be fairly close, but it's actually a bit longer, so I need to do some cutting and chopping to get it to fit this bike, but I've got a bit of extra material there. I might need to order another length of the 18mm sorry, stainless tube this is made of, but I think we can make a go of it. Now it needs to be a bit higher so the tail light is visible, and these rails can't be here and these brackets can't be here because the seat currently doesn't fit, and I need these to space out a bit wider. So as it stands, I'm just going to drop this in. See, we are sitting hard here and the same here. So what we're going to do, this is where the box comes to, so where that will be positioned over the back, which I think looks fairly neat. So what we're going to do first is we're going to cut these here at these welds, take out this brace and disconnect this rear section from here, clean this top rail up and get that ready and prepped, and then we're probably going to have to put a bend in around about here somewhere to angle this down, which then allow that to be raised up a small amount, and it should push these out slightly, and then we can reconfigure these. I'm wondering, because they got this slight bend in them here, if I turn these around, that bend will come this way instead. Winning. Don't talk to me.
Sign now. Is that straight there?
And thereabouts.
Yeah, we're just off.
How much?
Yeah. 3/4 of an inch.
Let's go warming. Light welding. Oh, so close. You seen this? I've got to try and get into.
Ooh. Ha! Be better from the other side. Now you'll get it from there.
Oh yeah, it's just making that last corner.
Yeah.
Three, two, one.